Have you ever wondered what happens to the water that goes down your drain or toilet? It might surprise you to learn that wastewater treatment plants play a critical role in cleaning and purifying this water before it is discharged back into the environment. Hey there, welcome to Evolving Knowledge Channel. Today, we will take a closer look at how wastewater is treated to make it safe for the environment or reuse. The water is treated in special plants called the wastewater treatment plant. They are facilities that treat and process wastewater to make it safe to discharge back into the environment. Their goal is to remove contaminants and pollutants, protecting public health and the environment by meeting regulatory standards. The wastewater treatment process consists of several steps, each of which is important to ensure that the wastewater is treated correctly. Let's take a closer look at each stage. The first step in the wastewater treatment process is pumping. Wastewater is moved from homes and businesses to the treatment plant by gravity. If the plant is located above ground level, then the wastewater needs to be pumped up to the facility. The second step is screening. Wastewater entering the treatment plant often contains large items like rocks, wood, and even dead animals. To prevent problems later in the treatment process, these materials are removed and sent to a landfill. The third step is removing grit and sludge. In the sedimentation tanks, the sludge settles out of the wastewater and is pumped out. Some of the water is removed in a step called thickening, and then the sludge is processed in large tanks called digesters. As sludge settles to the bottom of the sedimentation tanks, lighter materials like grease, oils, plastics, and soap float to the surface. Slow-moving rakes skim the scum off the surface of the wastewater. The scum is thickened and pumped to the digesters along with the sludge. Fifth step is aerating and biological reduction. The wastewater enters a series of long, parallel concrete tanks. In the first section, the air is pumped through the water. As organic matter decays, it uses up oxygen, so aeration replenishes the oxygen. Bubbling oxygen through the water also keeps the organic material suspended while it forces grit to settle out. The sixth step is final sedimentation. This physical water treatment process uses gravity to remove suspended solids from water. The final sedimentation process is important because it removes large particles that could damage pumps or pipes when treated water is discharged into rivers and oceans. Finally, the wastewater flows into a chlorine contact tank, where the chemical chlorine is added to kill bacteria, which could pose a health risk. The chlorine is mostly eliminated as the bacteria are destroyed, but sometimes it must be neutralized by adding other chemicals. And this concludes our video about water treatment plants. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching it and see you next time. Bye.